morning, teachers. I just wanted to take a few minutes out of your day to show you something amazing that is going to be very helpful and beneficial to your kiddos in the classroom for math and science. This is a website, and it's an interactive website of simulations for math and science. So when you take a look at this site, it's run by a university, I think University of Colorado. But when you go to your search results, so you can click on simulations, and I've clicked on math. And once you click on the simulations over here, you're going to see you can add filters. So I'm looking at different math simulations, and I want to look at elementary grade level simulations. So you can see here, there's different build a fraction, equality explorer, things that are different or abstract for kids to learn. These offer different simulations. You can also go to the other levels. Also, you can see here that there's science, math, biology, and there's different compatibilities and also different ways to have it accessible to students. So let me just take you to some of these and show them as an example. So this is one of the fractions pages. So it's always going to start down here at the bottom of your screen. It'll have a home, and here's where it's sort of teaching kids through exploration. That means that you're not necessarily teaching them what to do. They're just clicking and realizing and noticing the similarities. And as they play with this, they're going to start noticing what is changing and how it's equal. So here I can drag pieces up, and you're going to notice it shows the fraction here and its equivalent fraction here. I can also click my up and down arrows, and I can change the denominators. So if students were wanting to, if they were doing a worksheet and they didn't have the manipulatives, they could use this to sort of compare things instead of, just trying to draw their own circles or whatnot. And then it also has a game. So in the game, you create equivalent fractions, so to speak. So here I would say 1 over 1, which is the same as a whole, and then I would check it. And so then after students learn or practice the equivalent fractions in the lab, then they can play the game. Okay, and this is a site you can, in the site whenever you want to assign it. So say I want my students to be able to do or work on this. You can download it, you could embed a code. You can also drop a link directly to your Google Classroom. And it's free. They don't have to sign up. They don't have to have an account. It's just run like a browser tab. So the only thing is, I don't know if you can track student work or see how well a student is doing on something. It's more just like a practice in real time. And as a teacher, it doesn't give you like an account where you can see student work. However, it is a great tool that offers, you can teach the manipulatives and kids can manipulate them from home. So here's another one. The first part is fractions. So you can build a fraction here, and you have to build these fractions. Another one, let's take a look at a science concept. In science right now, we're talking about energy. So here is a different skate park. So they have an intro where it shows you, and you can manipulate all the variables over here. And you can kind of see what happens whenever I have these different skate parks, and it shows my different types of energy. Then you can go to the measuring tool one. So this measures the different places. Then it shows the different measurements on a graph as they are done. And then it offers students the ability to drag and create their own different, to watch how the energy would change as you change these variables, so that kids can start to see connections with these science concepts and math. So this is a very interesting site that offers free virtual manipulatives for students and lets them play around, so to speak, in order to learn. So I hope this is helpful to you. Use it. I'm sure the kids would get a kick out of it. And I like that it offers a teaching lab and then a game-based setup. And it's all free and it matches our curriculum. And if it's useful for you, I hope it makes your day, because it made mine. Enjoy.